Now, Information and Culture Minister Lai Mohammed have called on Nigerians resident in Egypt to remain resolute and continue to have faith in the present administration back home in Nigeria and shun negative commentaries about the country which can dampen their morale. The minister said this in Cairo, Egypt, when he had an interactive session with Nigerians in that country. Anthony Forson reports.
These are the faces of Nigerians resident in Egypt, all looking into the future with hope, among them students and businessmen and women. They are converging here is for one reason, curious to know the situation back home from the spokesman of the government, as they took turns to ask the minister what is the true situation about Nigeria, ranging from security to the polity, economy, and the future of Nigerian youths.
Most of the news you receive about Nigeria abroad, most of them is fake news. It's not true. Nigeria is at peace with itself. Nigeria is, and Nigerians are living harmoniously as brothers and sisters. There is no country without its own challenges. We are facing our own. I'm glad that some of you who have been here for say 10 years, 5 years, you know what the situation was here before. But because they have a leader who is committed, most of the problems are fading and you can see development everywhere. It's the same story back in Nigeria. We have challenges. Yes, we have Boko Haram. Yes, we have banditry. We have sometimes we have problems with the militants in the south. But it does not mean the whole of Nigeria is at war. And I want any of you who has gone home recently to please tell the others who are here what you met at home.
With this record of achievements, Lai Mohammed appealed to them to continue to remain loyal and obedient to the rules of their host country. In the same vein, Minister for Women Affairs Pauline Tallen spoke extensively on the present administration's scorecard as it affects the empowerment of women. For the Nigerian ambassador to Egypt, Noura Abarimi, the embassy assured will leave its doors open for Nigerians at all times, expressing delight that records show that Nigerians resident in Egypt are well behaved. Anthony Forson, NTA News.